Hi everyone, I'm Jesse Barksdale, Service Manager here at Conicelli Nissan. With the holiday season here, my team and I want to make sure your vehicle is ready for the road with our December service special. First, we have our holiday oil change and tire rotation for just $59.95. It's one of our best values of the year. You can also save $30 on a battery replacement, perfect timing before cold weather hits. And if your wipers are streaking or skipping, we got you covered with $20 off a wiper blade replacement. Plus, when you purchase 4 tires from us, you'll get an alignment for just $84.95. That's $50 in savings. Great for keeping your vehicle driving straight and keeping your tires wearing evenly. And because we want you driving safely this holiday season, we're offering a complimentary holiday travel inspection, which includes our full 27-point multi-point check. It's completely free when you visit us this month. Our goal is to keep you and your family safe on the road this season. Schedule your appointment today at ConicelliService.com or by calling 888-289-5948. Happy holidays from all of us at Conicelli Nissan.